Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode, I will be sharing all the different lunches that I made for my son. He's kindergartner and he already started last week. So here is the food that I prepared for him from Monday to Friday. So I got this lunchbox container from Target for $29.99. This is perfect for kids' lunches because it is durable and leak-proof. It has 5 compartments, which is pretty nice. This is for ages 3 to 7. So let's unboxing this, and all the supplies that I will be using, will put the link on the description box. And I also purchased a matching lunch bag for $11.99. It has a lot of pockets for kids' spoon and fork. It also have name tag at the back and water bottle side compartment. I also got one for my daughter and just getting ready for her prep school maybe next year. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the Monday lunch that I prepared for my son. He really loves fruits and vegetables. I put orange on the first compartment, then I put 2 chewy granola bars, which he really likes. Then I put string cheese, blueberries, and cashew nuts. Tuesday is a sandwich day. So first, I cut the side of the sandwich, but I use it as my food scratch to create a new recipe. I usually serve my kids a 100% whole wheat bread with ham and cheese. I also put ketchup and mayonnaise to make it more tasty. And of course, some lettuce. Then I cut it into 2 squares for easy bite. So in the first compartment is the sandwich that I made, then strawberries, carrots, string cheese, and almonds. I made mashed potato on Wednesday. This is simple and healthy food for your kids. I'm using Yukon Gold potato. First, just peel it and simmer it for about 30 minutes or until tender. Then mash the potato using potato masher. Add butter, milk, and brown sugar. Just mix to combine all the ingredients. Just let it cool and it will be ready to place in lunch container. I also add boiled egg, banana, apple, dates, and some cashew nuts. I prepared my son's favorite on Thursday, the quick and easy to prepare mac and cheese. Just bring it to a boil and simmer until tender. Drain the water, add butter and milk, then add the macaroni and the cheese powder. Just mix all the ingredients until totally combined. Let it cool and it will be ready. I also add some popcorn chicken, kiwis, mango, and cashew nuts. And Friday is a rice day, so I got this sushi roller from Amazon for $7.99. Just place rice on the middle and add all the ingredients that you want. I add some mango, then close it and push it. I also add scrambled egg, carrots, corn, grapes, and almonds. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this will give you some ideas what food are you going to prepare for your kids. You can also try some different recipes and add their favorite food. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. See you next time. Bye!